It's my honor to give you this talk about the enhancing modeling simulation accuracy with machine characterization. So let's start from the overview. So in this webinar, we will give you first about the current circumstances of the gap between designer and manufacturers. And then we will give you, we think machine characterization is one solution for this kind of situation. And then we will give you one case study of our, we say, seamless integration to integrate between designer and manufacturer. And the last one, summary. So let's start from the CA simulation. So basically, in the injection molding field industry, the key factors in injection molding is first is molding process, material, part, mold design, and injection machine. And our target normally is to try to find out kind of molding defects. So currently in CAE software for the injection molding, we already can consider the molding process, and we can also consider the materials and mold and part design. But actually, there are still one key factors, crucial factors, will easily influence the final result. We say the product quality, or even to predict the defects, is the injection machine. So in this talk, in this webinar, we'll focus on the injection machine, how we can, just by providing the machine characterization service to consider the injection machine into the analysis and to integrate with the real production. So this is the current situation that the left side, you can see this is the, you can say is CAE interface from designer side. They use this kind of flow rate setting for analysis, for simulation. And the right side is the dashed line means the set of values. But actually the real machine response, the real machine flow rate is different with the setting value.